Now see the next question of the same topic, purchase issue of share for the payment of purchase considerations. So question is, X Limited took over the following assets and liabilities: land and building, stock, debtors and sundry creditors. X Limited paid purchase consideration by issuing bank draft of rupees 16 lakhs. Purchase consideration is paid by them. Purchase consideration is paid by them by issuing bank draft of rupees 16 lakhs of rupees 16 lakhs. Okay, purchase consideration, for that the bank drafts is issued, and 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each at a premium of 10%, and 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each at 10% premium. Okay, so 50,000 into 20 rupees is the face value of the share, which is given to the vendor is 20, and it is issued at a premium of 10%. So 10% of what? 10% of 20 rupees. So it is 2 rupees. It means it is issued at 22. Issued price is 22. Issued value is 22. Issued at rupees 22. So 50,000 into 22. 50,000 into 22. It is 11 lakhs. Total is 27 lakhs. So 27 lakhs is the purchase consideration. This is the purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is 27 lakhs is the purchase consideration. Is it clear? This is what? This is purchase consideration. Okay, purchase consideration is 27 lakhs. So the issued price is 22 including premium. Face value 20, 2 rupees is the premium, issued at rupees 22, and purchase consideration has decided 27,000. Now you see, X Limited took over the, so in the books of X Limited I am going to do the entry. X Limited took over the following assets: land and building. So land and building account debit, land and building account debit, land and building, account debit. Yes, land and building account debit. Second assets is after land and building, stock account debit. Third assets is sundry debtors account debit. So land and building is 20 lakhs is the land and building. Sundry debtors and stock We have to write the amount of stock. Stock is 5 lakhs. Stock is 5 lakhs. Debtors is 2,50,000 is the debtors. And sundry creditors is 2 lakhs. So you have to find out the net worth of the business. Net worth. What is the actual net worth? So net worth is total assets excluding fictitious. Keep it in your mind. Fictitious assets is not taking into the total assets. Minus external liabilities. External liabilities. So total assets is 27,50,000. Yes, 27,50,000. And one creditor is taken over. The value of that amount of that creditors is 2 lakhs. In external liability, there is a creditors 2 lakhs. So it is 25,50,000 is the net worth of which business? Y's business. This is the net worth of Y. Net worth of Y Limited, whose business we are going to purchase. So assets of Y Limited is this much and the creditors we have taken this much. So net worth of Y Limited is this much. Now see the purchase consideration. Compare this with the purchase considerations. Yes. So we are paying high. We are paying above the net worth. It means we are paying for goodwill. So goodwill account will be debited over here. Goodwill will be debited. Goodwill account will do the debit the goodwill account. So how much will be the goodwill? Purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is higher. Purchase consideration is higher than the net worth. Purchase consideration is how much? 27 lakhs. And net worth of the business is how much? 25,50,000. So deduct it, you will get the value of goodwill. 1,50,000 is the goodwill. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is the goodwill. Because we have paid above the net worth of the business 1,50,000. So this 1,50,000 indicate the goodwill. Goodwill. Okay, if net worth is less than this amount, suppose the net worth is 24 lakhs, then it's a capital reserve, capital gain. So goodwill is 1,50,000 is the goodwill. 2, creditors is, creditors account will be credited, that is 2 lakhs is credited. 2, name of the vendors is Y Limited. Name of the vendor is Y Limited account. Will credit with the purchase consideration. Vendors account will be credited with the purchase consideration, that is 27 lakhs. In this bank draft is paid 16 lakhs. Bank draft is issued and this much share is issued at a premium of 10%. Okay. So total purchase consideration is this one. So this is the first entry. Narration will be very simple. Being business purchased. Being business of Y Limited purchased for a consideration, for the purchase consideration, for the purchase consideration of rupees 27 lakhs. Okay, this will be the narration. Or you can only write being business purchased. That also be the sufficient. Next is for payment. When we do the payment to Y Limited, so Y Limited account debit payment of purchase consideration Y limited account debit to share capital, shares are issued, equity shares are issued, so equity share capital, equity share capital, and these capital are issued at a premium, so to securities premium reserve account. It's a capital gain, okay, security premium reserve to securities premium reserve, securities premium reserve. Okay, so we'll do the payment of 27 lakhs to Y limited, 27 lakhs. Okay, 27 lakhs. Now what we calculate? Number of shares issued, number of shares issued. Here they issue the bank draft as well, so two bank draft means two bank account. They issued the bank draft of rupees 16 lakhs. So out of 27 lakhs, 16 lakhs is paid through the bank draft. Out of 27 lakhs, 16 lakhs is settled through the bank draft. So remaining amount is how much? Remaining is 11 lakhs. Remaining amount is 27 lakhs minus 16 lakhs. So remaining amount is 11 lakhs. So for 11 lakhs, the shares are issued at a premium. So divided by issued price. Issued price is how much? 22 rupees is the issued price. Face value is 20. Issued at a premium of 2. So it is issued price is 22. So divided by 22. So it is 50,000. Number of shares is 50,000. So in the share capital you write 50,000 shares into 20 rupees per share. Face value is 20. Face value is 20. Number of shares issued will be 50 into 20. So 50 into 20, 10 lakhs. And 50,000 into premium amount, that is rupees 2. That is rupees 2. So it is 1 lakh is the premium amount. 1 lakh is the premium amount. Is it clear? 1 lakh is the premium amount. Being, you write the narration, being purchase consideration paid by bank draft and for remaining equity shares are issued. Equity shares for remaining 50,000 equity shares are issued. 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, of rupees 20 each, issued at a premium of 10%. Issued at a premium of 10%. Is it clear? Being purchase consideration paid by bank draft and the remaining and for remaining 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each issued at a premium of 10%. So these two entry will be passed. These things you do in your working note. Do the working. So first is for calculation of purchase consideration, second is for calculation of issued price, third is calculation of the goodwill, fourth one is calculation of the number of shares issued, that is this one. So first calculation in the working note is this, second one is this, third one is this, and fourth calculation is this one, that how many shares will be issued for the payment of rest of the amount as purchase considerations. So first entry, all assets will be debit. This goodwill is clear. How this goodwill is calculated? This goodwill is the difference of purchase consideration minus net worth. If your purchase consideration is higher than the net worth, then it indicates the reputation, that is goodwill. So goodwill account will be debited. And number of shares will be calculated. The 11 lakhs, how this 11 lakhs has come? Out of this 27 lakhs purchase consideration, 16 lakhs is paid by check, bank draft. So remaining amount is how much? 27 lakhs minus 16, 11 lakhs. So 11 lakhs divided by issued price. So 50,000 shares. This is what? 50,000 shares. So calculation will be 50,000 shares into face value. Face value is how much? 20, and 50,000 into premium amount is how much? 20. So this amount has come after multiplying 50,000 into 20, 10 lakhs, and 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. And in narration you must write this number, that purchase consideration paid by bank draft, and for remaining 50,000 equity shares, this has calculated over here. We have calculation is done over here, of rupees 20 each issued at a premium of 10%. Now come to the next question. Madhur Limited took over the assets 3,90,000 and liabilities 40,000 of Rasova Limited for a consideration of 4 lakhs. For a consideration of 4 lakh. 4 lakh is the purchase consideration. So what he has taken? He has taken the sundry assets of rupees how much? Of rupees 3,90,000. And he has taken the liabilities of rupees 40,000. So assets minus liability, this indicate 3,50,000 is the net worth of the business, 3,50,000. Okay, but the purchase consideration is higher than this. Purchase consideration is rupees 4 lakhs. So when the purchase consideration is more than the net worth, then this indicate the goodwill. Your purchase consideration is purchase considerations. You are ready to pay this much amount, 4 lakhs. However, the net worth of the business is less than that. Net worth is less than your purchase consideration, that is 3,50,000. So goodwill is the difference of 4 lakh minus 3,50,000. It is 50,000 is the goodwill. Is it clear? Goodwill is 50,000 because purchase consideration is above than the net worth of the business. So the entry will be sundry assets account debit. sundry assets account debit, goodwill account debit, goodwill account debit, to sundry liabilities, to sundry liabilities account, to vendor. Name of the vendor is, who is the vendor? Rasova Limited. Rasova Limited. So sundry assets is how much? 3,90,000 is the sundry assets. I have written over here. Goodwill I have calculated 50,000. Okay. Sundry liability is 40. And purchase consideration is how much? Which is transferred to vendor's account? 4 lakhs. So debit and credit is equal. Being business purchase. Narration will be being business purchase. Now come to the payment. 20% was paid by check and the balance by issuing fully paid equity share of 100 each at a premium of 60%. So come to the payment. First one, some amount is paid to Ravana Limited, Rasova Limited account debit with rupees 4 lakhs, this amount. To 20% is paid by check, so to bank account. So 20% of this amount, 20% of 4 lakhs, 20% of 4 lakhs, so it is 80,000. So 80,000 is paid by check, and for remaining they issue the equity share capital, and these shares are issued at a premium. So securities premium reserve, security premium reserve account, securities premium reserve account. Okay, reserve account. So we'll calculate this one. Share capital, equity share capital, and thereafter we will calculate security premium reserve. Okay, so these two we have to calculate. Now share is which is given, face value of the share is 100 rupees. Face value given is 100 rupees, issued at 60% premium. 60% premium. So 60% of face value is how much? 60 rupees. 60 rupees. It means it is issued at 160. Issued price is how much? 160 is the issued price. So number of shares issued, we have to calculate number of shares issued is equal to how much is the balance amount we have to, out of 4 lakhs we have already paid 80,000 by check, so remaining is 3,20,000. So 3,20,000 upon issued price 160, so it is 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares has to be issued. So 2,000 into face value of the share is 100. 2,000 into 100, so this will be 2 lakhs, and 2,000 into 60, that is premium, so this will be 1,20,000. 1,20,000, and in narration you write it being purchase consideration paid by check, and for balance, how much shares are issued? For balance 2000 shares of rupees 100 each issued at a premium of rupees 60 per share or 60% per share, or you may write the 60 rupees. This will be the narration of the second entry. Okay, so working note under this number 1 working note is this. First working note, this is for the purchase consideration. Second, third is for this one. Fourth is for this goodwill treatment, or you may write the third working. This is the fourth working, and this one is the fifth working. There are 5 different workings. I have done it, and do this working in the working note. Now see the next question. Cisco Limited took over the assets of rupees 4,80,000 and liabilities of rupees 80,000 of Mittal Limited. Okay, so Cisco Limited took over the sundry assets of rupees 4,80,000, and he has also took the liabilities. So deduct the liabilities from it, less liabilities. He has taken the liabilities of rupees 80,000. So it is 4 lakhs. Net worth is 4 lakhs. Net worth of the business, net worth of the business is 4 lakhs, which is going to purchase. For a purchase consideration, however, the purchase consideration is 3,20,000 is the purchase consideration. 3,20,000. You see, net worth of the business is 4 lakh, but the purchase consideration is less than that. It means there is a gain, there is a profit, capital gain. So you deduct the net worth from the purchase consideration. Here the purchase consideration is less. Okay, you deduct from the net worth, you deduct it. Net worth of the business is 4 lakhs, and we have purchased it. Purchase consideration is below than that. Purchase consideration is how much? Purchase consideration is 3,20,000. So this difference indicate the capital gain. So this will be transferred to capital reserve account. Capital reserve, because company is the gainer, purchasing company is the gainer. Net worth of the business is 4 lakhs and company purchased at rupees 3,20,000, which is less than the net worth. It means the purchasing company is the gainer. This gain is not the normal gain, it's a capital gain. So this will be transferred to capital reserve. So come to the here first transactions in the books of Cisco Limited. Sundry assets account debit. Sundry assets account debit. Okay, this is sundry assets is how much? Sundry assets is 4,80,000. To sundry liabilities. Sundry liabilities is how much? Sundry liabilities is 80,000. To capital reserve. Okay, we'll write capital reserve at last. To we'll write the name of the vendor. Vendor name is Mittal Limited. Mittal Limited. Here we will write the purchase consideration 3,20,000 purchase consideration, and thereafter we will write the capital reserve. Here the company is the gainer. Is the gainer. Capital gain is how much? 80,000 is the capital gain. This one, because purchase consideration is less than the net worth of the business. So it's a capital gain for Cisco Limited. Capital gain for Cisco Limited. Is it clear? So first entry being business purchase. Narration will be very simple. Here the 20,000 were paid by acceptance in favor of Mittal Limited, payable after 3 months. So it is related to bills payable. 20,000 will be paid. A bills is accepted. 20,000 bills is accepted, which will be payable after 3 months. So here you debit the Mittal Limited vendors account. You do the debit when Mittal Limited account debit with the amount of 3,20,000, and for the purchase consideration we are paying bills payable. Bills is accepted. Bills payable is accepted, which will be paid after 3 months, that is 20,000. 20,000. Okay, and the balance of issue of fully paid preference share, and for the balance 8% preference shares are issued. 8% preference share capital is issued instead of equity. Here the preference share capital, and this capital is issued at a premium of 50%. So security premium reserve account will be credited. Premium reserve account will be credited. Now we will find out these two. We'll find out these two. Okay, so first of all, number of shares, we'll find out the number of preference share. Number of preference share issued. Okay, so out of 3 lakhs, 20,000 is already, for 20,000 the bill is accepted, so remaining amount is 3 lakhs which we have to pay. Out of 3 lakhs, 20,000 is settled through the by accepting a bills. So remaining is how much? 3,20,000 minus 20, 3 lakhs. And the preference share, face value of the preference share is how much? Face value of the preference share is how much? Face value is 100 rupees, and it is issued at a premium of 50%. Premium of 50%. 50% premium issued at 50% premium. So 50% premium means 100 into 50 upon 100. 50% of 100 rupees. This rupees. 50% of this. Okay. So it is 50 rupees. It means it is issued at, issued price is how much? Issued at, or issued price is 150 is the issued price. So divided by the issued price over here. So 2,000 shares will be issued. 2,000 preference shares will be issued. So here you will write number of shares 2,000 which will be issued, and the face value multiplied with the face value 100. This will be in the preference share capital. 2,000 into 100, it is 2 lakhs. And in the security premium reserve, 2,000 into premium is how much? 50 rupees. 2,000 into 50. So it is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So debit and credit is equal. Now in narration you write being bills payable is accepted. Yeah, bills is accepted. Bills is accepted and for balance purchase consideration, for balance purchase consideration 2000 preference shares, 2000 8% preference shares are issued at a premium of 50%. 2000 8% preference share of rupees 100 each of 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Okay, 100 each are issued at a premium of 50%. So this will be the narration. Being bills is accepted, bills of rupees 20,000 is accepted, and for the balance purchase for balance of the purchase consideration, balance of the purchase consideration rupees 2 consideration 2000 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each issued at a premium of 50%. So the working note, first one note is this, second you have to see this, third one is this, fourth one is this working note, and fifth working note will be this, and this will be to journal. Okay.